Hello, I am Darshan Sharma. A warm welcome to all of you. I am here with the latest news related to the Aam Aadmi Party from across the country. News that is making a clear impact from politics to the lives of ordinary people. So stay with me till the end. National convener of Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal attacked the BJP over the alleged paper leaked at Gujarat Ayurveda University. He claimed that not a single paper leaked occurred during Aam Aadmi Party's tenure in Delhi and Punjab, while such incidents continue to surface in BJP ruled states. He also invited people to participate in the National Town Hall against E20 on 1st August at the Constitution Club and urged students not to lose hope. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann laid the foundation stone of the 1100 crore Vardhman HE Steel project, which is expected to generate around 2000 jobs. He also inaugurated a new school block, highlighted the state's education reforms, and paid tribute to the martyrs on Kargil Vijay Divas. The Man government has increased the salaries of constructual sanitation worker and sewermen to 20,500 per month. The government also released 28.01 crore under the Ashirwad scheme and announced the introduction of artificial intelligence means AI education in government school from class 1 to 12. Punjab police also busted a major cross border arms and narcotics smuggling network. Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh targeted the central government. Sanjay Singh criticized the central government over paper leak, police action against students, and the E20 fuel policy. He demanded that the Union Home Minister make a statement in Parliament and urged people to join the National Town Hall against E20 on 1st August. Uttar Pradesh News Opposition cautions roads, law and order, and paper leaks. In the Lucknow, the opposition criticized the BJP government over poor road condition on Kaur Yatra routes, alleged paper leaks, and law and order issues. It demanded immediate repairs, stronger public safety measures, and accountability. In Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party protest over MCD toll tenders and SIR process. In New Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party protest outside the MCD headquarters over the alleged rupees 500 crore toll tender scam. The party also raised concern over irregularities in the Special Intensive Revision means SIR process, claiming that many eligible voters could lose their names from the electoral rolls. In Gujarat, Aam Aadmi Party raises paper leak, flood damage, and Chetar Vaisawa G's issue. In Ahmedabad, Aam Aadmi Party accused the BJP government of failing to curb alleged paper leaks and demanded an impartial investigation. The party also sought compensation for people affected by heavy rains and reiterated its demand for justice for MLA Chetar Vaisawa. In Maharashtra, demand for probe into alleged MPSC paper leak. In Mumbai, allegation of a paper leak in the MPSC drug inspector recruitment examination have sparked demand for a fair and impartial investigation. Candidates said that the issue affects the future of lakhs of aspirants and called for strict against action against those responsible. In Uttarakhand, Sundarkand recitations and demand for action on paper leaks. In Dehradun, Aam Aadmi Party organized a Sundarkand recitation as part of a statewide program. The party also questioned the state government over alleged paper leak incident and demanded a fair investigation, along with the resignation of the higher education minister on moral grounds. Thank you all so much for staying with me until the end. I will be back tomorrow with more fresh news. Until then, goodbye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.